So my Vibe Higher t-shirt came in all black, extra large. When you order it, it's actually to the fitting. Um, it feels really comfortable. I tried it on; it was a perfect fit. It's fitted. If you want it baggier, I suggest a size up. If you wanted tighter, size down. But it's the size they say it is. And the sleeves are like short sleeves, so it's super fitted. Um, yeah, it's pretty legit. It's all black. So it was wrapped in this, you know, and inside it was wrapped in this. So yeah, if you just order like one shirt, it fits in the mailbox. It's wrapped and wrapped, and it came in good condition, brand new. Brand new, legit. No complaints. Can't wait to wear it. There's instructions and stuff, how to wash it, how to take care of it. It is lightweight. It's really thin. It's really comfortable. But just wanted to show you guys that. So I ordered from Woke. I ordered 3 products this time, and they boxed it. So if you don't want your merch getting lost, it doesn't fit in the average mailbox, so they'll probably take it to your doorstep, place of business. I suggest you deliver it somewhere safe because you don't want your merch getting lost. Sorry, it's a little wobbly. So the box is a decent size. I ordered a sweater, a poster, and a bracelet. The bracelet, it says "Been Woke" on one side and "Stay Woke" on the other side. And it's stretchy. So if your wrist is a little bit bigger, don't worry about it, it stretches. Can't wait to wear it. Ah! Where'd it go? Oh, right there. Yep. Legit. As for the poster, I didn't know how big it was gonna be, didn't say. But it's a pretty decent size. Can you see? It's closed right there. It's closed right there. Alright, okay, I opened it. And it's wrapped with 2 rubber bands, one on each end. It's rolled. Okay, I just hung it up right now. Ben Woke poster. It's a decent size, not too big, it's not too small. Looks really good, came in good condition. Yeah. Last but not least, the Ben Woke sweatshirt. So it came in the box, and it comes in the plastic also packaging. Okay, I just tried it on. I ordered an extra large, and it's true to fitting. There is no tag right here, so that's cool. The inside is black. The strings are black. That's cool, gray stitching, and the outside's gray. The sleeves are gray, black. The writing's black and it's gray, and it has pocket over here. The reason why I actually ordered this one was because I liked how it's a gray sweater, but the sleeves popped out black. Inside the hoodie was black, and the strings were black, along with the writing. And I think that's pretty interesting and different, and I dig it. I just put it on right now. Yeah, true to fitting. It's very lightweight, very comfy, worth every penny. I'm very happy with my merch. Thank you, Snow. So right here is a Woke Apparel clothing line online. They have a variety of clothing to choose from. I believe more than the Vibe Higher collection. They have men's, women's, kids. Some things are on sale right now. I believe that they're going to restock it. So not everything has like your size, but you know, I say start shopping before it's all gone. It came within, when I ordered, it came within 4 days. It does say 5 to 10 business days. You can track your order online. So right here is the bracelet I got. I showed you guys in this video. And also the poster I showed you in this video. Right here is men's apparel. You know, there's a lot of choose from. Just depends what your style is. Here's a sweater I chose from. Exactly like the pictures, guys. Start shopping. Here's the Vibe Higher collection, the online collection. Here's the women's apparel. It's a smaller collection than the Woke, but still a decent amount to choose from. Here's the men's. My order came in about a week. Came in pretty quick. Here's a shirt that I showed you guys in the video. Tells you how many are in stock, the pricing. Not everything has your size, so, you know, first come, first serve. Start shopping, guys.